All right, so now we've filled in this page. This is where our certificate is going to be mailed by the Copyright Office, and we'll hit continue. Now, here's a page. If you want special handling, there's a $760 fee for special handling. And what this does is, instead of the whole process taking perhaps several months, they will put this at the top of the pile and move it along, and you get it very quickly. You have to tell them why you need special handling, and generally the only reason you would need that is if there is pending or prospective litigation. So if you're planning on suing somebody for copyright infringement, you need registration of that copyright in order to do that. In some courts, you can start the litigation while the certificate is still pending. In other courts, you actually need the certificate in hand to even file the case. So, but this rushes it along. In our case, we don't need to do that, so we're going to just continue right through this. You have to here say, you have to certify that you're authorized to file this application for registration. And so either you're the author, you're the claimant, in other words, you have obtained the right to the copyright from the author, you might be owner of certain exclusive rights, or the authorized agent. Authorized agent would be the attorney for one of these other parties. So in this case, I'm the attorney for the author, so I'm going to click that. That means I have the right to do this. I'm going to put my name. Generally, you're not going to have an internal tracking number if you have any specific notes you want to give the Copyright Office, but this is really all you need on this page. All right, now we get to the review screen, and here it shows you everything that you filled in, gives you a chance to review all of the information. If you need to, you can go back and make changes, and you have several options up here. You can either save it for later, so this is if you're not sure of something, you need to check with somebody else before you go on and submit this. Add to cart means everything's okay and you're ready to go on to the payment page. And the other option is save template. So you might use this one if you're going to reuse most of the information. For instance, in this case, I've done this application as technical drawings. I'm going to come back a little bit later and essentially do the exact same application except as an architectural work. So I might save template, and then later on, once I've finished with this one, I open the template. I've got almost everything there, and then I just switch the checkbox from technical drawings to architectural work, and I save some time. So when I'm done with this, I hit add to cart, and final chance to review things. I go on to checkout, and for most of you, you're not gonna have a deposit account. You're simply gonna pay by credit card, and it asks you if you want to cancel or proceed. You're going to go ahead and proceed, and at this point you fill in this information. So I'm not going to do that because this is only an example. But once you're done with all of this, you enter your credit card information, and it's checked. Then they will ask you to submit your deposit materials, which are going to be PDF files of your drawings or other materials, and you'll do that to their website. Again, there's a 1-hour connection time limit per upload. You can do multiple uploads, and it depends on your connection speed, but for a large project, you may have hundreds of megabytes of drawings to upload. So that's how you fill in the copyright application. And it's most of the information you need is right on the website. If you're a little taken aback by this, you might want to contact an attorney that's familiar with intellectual property, and they can do this pretty easily for you.